What's going on YouTube? In this video, I want to share with you some recent sales. Now these are important because
they give you ideas for other things to sell.
Woo! Alright, so what you're looking at here is a screenshot of my Amazon Seller Central to products that have recently been sold. What you have here is in black numbers is the price it was purchased at, and under unit price is the price it's sold at. Now, not all the details are included here, mainly because some of these are replenishable, some of these I will buy again or I did have in stock. But I tried to keep it kind of here and there and mix a little dry humor in there for you as well. If you guys have any comments about any of these products or you want to know something about selling on Amazon, please comment down below and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Now, there's products across the spectrum here, from shower gels to health and beauty items to pre-workouts to everything. The thing about all this is you always want to go wide rather than deep, because at any given time, Amazon, such as this acetaminophen, may reclassify a product and you may no longer be able to sell it. So it's always the wisest route to go. And in some cases, it may be a pre-workout such as this one where I've sold over 200 units and somebody misuses the product. It gets taken off the market, or a portion of it gets changed so that it's not the same product, and you're lost with the items. You got to pull them, you got to get rid of them. But this should give you a better idea of the many things you can sell. I also included some items in here that I can't find in my area, so if you can sell Nikes and you can come across these, I would definitely grab a pair of those. There's other weird things like blue shoes, where I don't sell a lot of blue shoes, but from time to time during the year, they sell very often. So check it out, guys. Again, let me know if you have any comments, any questions, and give me a thumbs up. The main idea is, here's the things that you can sell, guys. There's all these things you can sell. Now, you may be gated in some of these, but there's a bunch of stuff out there. And it's better to go wide than deep for the reasons mentioned before, where Amazon basically owns the land. You built their house on their land, so they can change the rules. So it's always better to go wider than deep. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Thank you.